Hi all, and welcome to my vlog here on this beautiful Thursday morning. Yeah, I have just gotten off the phone with one of the participants in my new upcoming series called Pet Tricks. Yeah, well, maybe the name can still change, but still. He was quite adamant of doing something, maybe here Sunday or one of the other days in the next week. So yeah, get ready for some fun and crazy antics with some pets. And here we got Obelix. Hey Obelix! Oh, little Obelix! Hey, oh, come here. Sit. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Yeah, that's a good boy. And Max is somewhere over there in the underbrush. Where the heck is he? Being that he's a black dog, you can't see him for shit. He's right over there somewhere. Oh my god. Hey, Obelix. Oh yeah, there's also one other thing. I got my huge RC car to work. So yeah, we also check out some of the cool things I'm gonna do with that. One of my friends that actually lives right next door to me, he also got one of those huge RC cars. So we're gonna tear up this this field right here, the park. I'm gonna tear it up. Oh, something fierce. I got a huge monster truck. His is more like a buggy, but yeah, we're gonna do some cool things with that. And now it seems like Obelix has disappeared. Oh my god. But there's Max. He's right there. That's a Maxie. What you doing? I don't know, but I think that they're beginning to understand English. Hey, Maxie! Where the heck is Obelix? He just disappeared. Obelix! Obelix! Where did that dog go? You, Obelix! Oh my god. Oh my god, that one crazy horn dog. Well, Max is right there. So yeah, just a little heads up on what's gonna come along here the next couple of weeks. Some cool footage with RC cars and some funny videos with pets. So yeah. Where is that Obelix? Well, thank you all so very much for watching, and catch you on the flip side. Hey Obelix, where are you? Oh. Damn well, horn dog!